Hi, my name is John Mashburn. I'm here with my wife Mary at Dr. Mazza's office. Uh, a couple of years ago, I decided to see Dr. Mazza. I had broken off teeth, missing teeth. I had gum disease. I was just not really happy with my dental condition. And Mary and I talked, and we decided to see Dr. Mazza about doing implants. Uh, I had some underlying health conditions that he asked me to get checked out so that I could make sure I could tolerate the procedures. That all worked out. Been a pleasant experience. I appreciate his patience and his conscientious work with me. I have my full implants now. Uh, I think it's improved my self-esteem somewhat. I can obviously chew better. My health's a lot better. And I do appreciate it. He's done a wonderful job and very patient with me. I'm an old guy, and he's been very kind and patient with me. So that's what I'd like to say.
And the difference between the implants and the dentures is really remarkable. Because of COVID and the meticulous way that Dr. Mazza wants to make sure everything is going to just fit. He had dentures for quite a while, temporary dentures, and that he was just miserable. Um, some people are, I'm sure, are fine with dentures, but he was really a good candidate for the implants, and I'm so glad that we went that direction. Dr. Mazza has been wonderful to work with. His staff has been great, and we're so happy we made this decision.